I can create subsets of that data. So there are easy ways to select just the columns that I want or just the rows that I want. And so this is referred to as filtering the data. So I'm taking factors in the data like the age, and I'm getting rid of data or keeping only the data that's relevant to me. That's a data wrangling technique, right? I could say, give me only things where the age is not blank, because the age is a critical factor here, or whatever. I can say, I'm only interested in studying the name and the city, so I'm going to create a new data frame with just name and city in it. So let's take a look at those. So if I just want to print out the new data frame, I'll just actually new df equals df, and it's notice there are two sets here, and the reason for that is that I'm getting at the headings here. Name and city. The downside to these notebooks is that it doesn't do code completion for you, which is kind of sad. New df. So if I want to print that, okay, so I can pull out just the things that I want. Or maybe I'm only interested in people in California. So now look at, it's just printing the index for each one and whether it's false or true. That's not really what I want. What I actually want is, I want it to give me the whole record for each one of these. So I'm going to tell it, give me the data frame, and then use this as the means of selection. So now when I run that, it actually returns the data frame where this is true. So basically I'm saying, give me only the data from the main data frame where this condition is true, where you're from California. So that's another way to do things, to subset your data.